Well, got a couple bottle caps so far, and then I get this. Looks like the butt to a flashlight. A heavy-duty flashlight. Too bad I didn't find the whole flashlight. Let's hope. Okay, you guys want to see something cool? I just found myself a cap dart. This is ancient. I had one of these in the late 50s, early 60s. Too bad I broke it, but when I dug it out, bummer. That is such a bummer I broke it. But I can glue it or solder it, do something, make it whole again. That's a real antique. That's a relic. Let's hunt. Alright, then. First scent of the day, and it's a 1969 copper. Alrighty then. Let's hunt. Well, I don't think you're going to believe this, but I just found a cowbell. It's a small one, but it's a cowbell. It's squished, but it's a cowbell. Let's hunt. There's a 2627, and it's a nickel. A red nickel. First nickel of the day. Let's hunt. There you go. There's some nice canned slaw, huh? It's like part of a Pepsi can. Let's hunt. There you go. We got the third nickel for today. So, let's hunt. Got a little piece of little copper with a little button, a brass button. There you go. Piece of a snap, I think. Let's hunt.